Hello? I was unmuted that whole time. It's a good thing I don't just yell random things before the stream. Did I say anything? I don't think so. Finn, welcome in. That gamer. Second indeed. How are you? Uh, Bootat. Thank you so much for that prime sub. Boo. Thank you. Thumping around. It was my dog. You're like, that guy is here? I hate that guy. What guy? I don't hate anybody. Also, thank you for all those sound alerts. Well, welcome in. How are you all doing? Um, Today I'm going to pick up where I left off yesterday. Was it yesterday? Did I stream yesterday? I don't remember. I don't think I did. Yeah, I did. I definitely did. Okay. I can't remember. I need my quota in. You got it. Oh, I should have said. Ah, oh, man. If I wish I realized, I would have maybe done that joke. No, I probably just would have immediately muted myself and cowered in the corner. You're tired? I saw you coding a lot today. I liked it. I was going back and forth between you and Odd Oculus, and Odd was also coding C++, and you both had like the same face, just like struggling and like making weird event dispatchers and a bunch of nonsense random words that had nothing that like were like high like low level game concepts and not something recognizable. It was just perfect. The two of you probably coding the same things. Yeah, it was like annoying to look at. Not that you're both annoying to look at. It's just like when I code something, it's like, yay, festival system, start day. You know, it's all like cheery, very human friendly uh, properties, and it's never event dispatcher, boilerplate gas. Yeah. It just seems depressing. Honestly, coding C++ and Unreal seems depressing to me. When we're done with the back end, then we get sexy blueprint logic. That is the opposite of sexy. Also, wait, what did you add to the game? Oh, you added player name Dag Nabbit. No, Vito. Ugh, blueprints. All right. I figured out I ended the day yesterday, was it yesterday? Yeah, I ended the day yesterday with a bug where this was giving me a syntax error. And it was giving me a syntax error because there was a white space here. There was a white space here. So it was like, oh, the condition is syntax error. Great. There shouldn't have been a white space there. So I fixed all those. Right? Did I fix them all? Yeah, I did. Riley Aniston, welcome in. How are you? So now let's see where we left off. I've got festivals on certain days. I've got custom conversations per festival. I've got custom character schedules per festival. I've got time pausing. And that's pretty much it. What else is a festival? I got to just set up like what it is. So here's everyone experiencing the festival, right? What up? It's the spring festival. They all say the same thing. Okay, I got to hide their chat icons because you can't continue their chats, their conversations, so I need to get rid of them. There's a tornado warning in my city right now. What? Valid until 4:20 p.m. Tokyo is likely to experience tornadoes and severe gust winds. We're in severe wind gusts. Please keep an eye on the sky while this warning advisory is active. If there are signs of approaching cumulonimbus clouds, oh my god, such as thunder, lightning, or sudden changes in the wind, please move to a sturdy building to ensure your safety. Be careful of lightning strikes, hail, and sudden heavy rain. What? And this isn't just... Wait a minute. I gotta look outside. One sec. So it got cloudy. It got cloudy, but it's not like... I don't know. What's a cumulonimbus cloud? Let's look one up. It's thrilling and very satisfying because you kind of like have a jigsaw in your brain, and as your classes come together, the jigsaw just starts to work, and compiling isn't an option. So when you compile it, it works. Boom. I mean, yeah, I guess you gotta like that kind of stuff. It's going good. Just a little tired, and you? I'm doing okay. Apparently, I'm in a tornado warning right now. I was just outside walking the dog too. Cumulonimbus clouds. What do they look like? They look like this. Menacing looking multi-level clouds extending high into the sky. They are do I see menacing? Yo, Turgus! Turgus, how's it going? Welcome in. Wait, Finn, don't allow that. Don't permit that word. Turgus, thank you for the raid. How are you? Welcome in. Shout out to Turgus. I'm looking outside my window right now because there's a tornado warning in my area. I'm trying to look for cumulonimbus clouds, which apparently are menacing looking multi-level clouds. Let me scroll up for a sec. How's development going? Development's going great. We're getting stuff done every day. It's wonderful. Good, thanks. End of a long day. My day's just beginning. Are you from Japan? I currently live in Japan. I am not from here, but I currently live here. Big fluffy ones, yeah. Honestly, the whole sky is blanketed with clouds, so I can't really tell what a cumulonimbus cloud is. Yo, Scully! How's it going, Scully? It's a perfectly innocent word, sure. We all know what a cumulonimbus cloud is. Not gonna lie, I don't know what it is. I'm fairly confident I can't spell it. Yeah, you spelled it wrong. K-Lionimbus cloud. Turgus, there you are. Cumulonimbus. Worked on my jam game tonight. Just when I thought things are good, I broke everything. Oh no. Turgus. Turgus. Do you need any help? Just post your problems. We'll help you through it. If you give me a timestamp on your VOD, I'll go back and I'll tell you what's wrong. Sounds yummy. It's all settings. Code is fine. I can help with settings too. We hanging all day in the IDG team? Yeah, we are. Well, welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I'm working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim like Stardew Valley and The Sims. Woo! I need one of those intros that like Balint has, you know? I just want to click a button that just introduces myself, you know? And if you don't know Turgus, make sure to follow Turgus. Slowly joining the game development community, I see. I like it. Cumulonimbus, I blame the public school system, me too. You hate coding. You hate coding. We love coding here. But I guess you can hate watch it. You can hate watch. Okay. I feel like a lot of things just happen. There's a tornado outside my window, and I was testing festivals, and we got raided. It's a trifecta. You develop games, I design animations. Oh, nice, nice. What kind of animator are you? 2D, 3D? Partners indeed. Can't make games without animation. I mean, you can, but games are better with animation. Oh, cool. My day job is a 3D artist, and I do animation a lot. I did some of the animations here. I don't do 2D though. I do not draw. I don't like where this tree is. It's blocking this nice street lamp. All right, so what do I want to do? I feel very hyper right now. I was just like dead. I was just dead asleep, like not dead asleep. I was dead tired and I wanted to take a nap. And yeah, now I feel hyper. Something's wrong with me. I need to remove chat indicators and quest indicators on NPCs. I have an AI nav mesh working. My bad guy searches for light and runs toward the light. I got that working the other night. Tonight, I made it so the target switches to the player once you enter a kill zone. Very nice. I got that working and then was trying to work on a field of vision for the monster. Cool. There's a lot of different ways you could do field of vision. Which technique did you go with? Someone suggested on Twitter a bike race. I really like that. Bike race. Maybe if you win the bike race, you get a new bike. Get a new bike when you win. Upgrade speed. What? It didn't like your shark? That's weird. But what is that you're typing into? This is Obsidian. I ordered more today. What do you order your remotes off of Amazon or something? That is a ridiculous one. The reindeer lick? Okay. I'm gonna start. Oh, right. And I also want to get festivals appearing in the calendar. I have an in-game calendar that I've been neglecting. So if I go to the calendar, it's the 2nd, but doesn't show any festivals. And I even have a section for festivals. I think I just never implemented it because I didn't have any yet. But now I do. So let's start there. Let's start with calendars. If I go to the calendar system, calendar event, register persistent, add persistent calendar event. It adds it. Okay. If I go to here, nope, that's assembly. Maybe I just don't know how to display a festival. Oh, here we go. So if the calendar day equals birthday dot time here, birthday. Wait, this isn't only birthdays. This is all calendar events. Right now, working on a 3D intro animation for a streamer. Oh, cool. Like for the start of their stream? How do you remember all the prompts? Which prompts? This is weird. I don't remember how I do this. Add birthday event. Oh, right here. If birthday.display type equals birthday. So this is not birthday. This is just event. That's why it was confusing me. Event. Nope, can't use that. Calendar event. And then it's a birthday if we get here. If calendar event dot display type equals festival. Day display dot add festival event calendar event. Okay, so I don't have an add festival. I need to make one. You meant the codes? I mean, it lives in my head forever and ever. Forever and ever. Public void add festival calendar event display event display. My dog is snoring real loud right now. Lurk, Mrs. Finns is home. Welcome home, Mrs. Finns. Thank you for the lurk. You see what I did there? No. Did you do an I instead of an L? Or is that a Roman numeral? I need revenge. I mean, I don't even have a lurk command, so... Do I? No, I don't. Calendar day display. This is a lot of stuff. Event slot. Scully, thank you for the lurk. Get one so I can have revenge? No. It's my affiliate anniversary this month. Oh. Congrats. What are you going to do? Are you going to do a 12-hour stream? This is so unorganized. I hate this. It hurts my brain. 4 and 4. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. How are you? We're doing that anyway. We hit 100 sub points today. I saw. That's crazy. Congrats. It's a big deal. 100 people. 100 people gave you $5. It's insane. I'm kind of mad at Greg. Oh, why is he the one? Was he the 100th, or did he gift sub a bunch? I don't even know. I didn't see you hit it. Hi. I'm good. Thanks. Love your game. Demo's amazing. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Uh, I'm doing good. I'm just working on some festivals today. I'm trying to get the calendar to have the festival display that it's coming up, and some other logic, some other festival related objects. Amazon gets half of it, yeah. 47 of them are him? Oh my god. Second favorite, more like first favorite. That's crazy. Gotta go, time to finish the animation. Riley, thanks for hanging, and enjoy the rest of your work. Animation's always fun. All right, I don't think I have a way to dynamically add multiple events to the same day, and then that's what I'm missing. Riley, thank you for the follow as well. I'd worry if I didn't know he was an entirely responsible, insane adult. Also, I'm just as bad as he is. That's yeah, that's a chunk. That's a chunk of change. I budget myself a certain amount of Twitch money every month. And at this point, I think I make it back. Like, my Twitch revenue equals the amount of money I spend on Twitch. So we're just pumping it right back into the ecosystem. Once it will complete, I'll share it with you. Yeah, I'd love to see it. So calendar display. Calendar day display. What are you? Who are you? I have the title, a line. Why do I have a line there? Wait a minute. Top is negative. This is funky. Ooh. I don't like it. What I'm going to do is remove this line, and I'm going to remove this, and then set this to 0, or set this to 10? 15, okay. If I do that, and then set this to 0, okay, and then maybe just give it a little bump. All right, now that's way cleaner. So this tells me whose birthday it is. Info panel. Info image. Info text. So maybe what I do is I make this dynamic so I can have a bunch of info. I think that's what I do. Main info. Theoretically, I don't think I'll ever have a birthday and a festival on the same day. I don't know, I just want it dynamic. This is very ugly. So I made this script a very long time ago. The calendar is one of the earliest things I ever made in this game, and I never came back to it. Does being in the credits for audio on a game make me a game dev? That's a great question. Sure. Add me to the credits. Does Does redeeming and add me to the credits redeem make me a game dev? If so, then I am a game. You are a game. Thank you for the hydrate. Oh wait, sorry, I missed this one. Most of it goes on stream stuff. I love having a positive experience for people even at my expense. Yeah, of course. So I'll get like 5 more emotes to fill the slots. And I've been putting stuff aside so I can do more art streams without tanking my OBS. Why does doing art streams tank your OBS? Because of like, because Houdini and ZBrush just don't play nice. Jern put me in the credits for Shart. What did you make for Shart? Substance kills the GPU mostly. Oh yeah, just don't do substance. Okay, you want to be added to the credits. Credits. Fin times 4. Crazy. Wait, you're already at the top. You can't go above these people. These people, they're the first. Okay, I just heard some thunder. Normally I love thunder. But not when there's a tornado warning. I didn't even know tornadoes were possible here. A little second PC for stream? Yeah, that's smart. I did all the audio minus the music. Oh, nice. I didn't realize that you were an audio guy. Yeah, I wouldn't want to steal anyone's thunder. Speaking of thunder. Okay. So, info. This is now going to be a... This is now going to be a calendar info panel. So let's just do some speed coding. I'm going to focus for a minute. Let's make a create C# calendar info panel. Can't add it because it's not compiled. So then compile it. Oh, right. You can't compile it because of this stupid error. So let's comment it out. Come on. Compile a little scripty. Yo, EXO, how's it going? Yo, shout out to EXO. How's the demo launch going? Tell me all the good news. I want to hear good news. Been having a lot of fun with making a new website. Oh, awesome. Is it a work in progress? Can you link it? Also, for those of you that don't know, EXO has been working on this game, Paste, and the demo just launched. So make sure to wishlist, follow, and play the demo. Or the demo. Play the demo. Such a good demo. You played it, Finn. The demo's been good, getting random people telling me that they loved it. That's awesome. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, exodrifter.space. Warning. This blog is being actively developed. Links might break. Very cool. Are you using a template or are you making this from scratch? Honestly, I was like, what is this? And then shit unwrapped. I was hooked. I still haven't tried it. I have to charge my Steam Deck. It's dead. Oh, there it is. Powered by Quartz and Nix. I don't know anything about web dev. I use so my main website is just an HTML page with a YouTube embedded iframe. And then my Mossy Grove is Wix. Those are the two ends of the spectrum. I tried using WordPress and WordPress was terrible. So I went with Wix. Also, sorry for the flash bangy website. I like the dot space because your game is set in space. Did you do that on purpose? WordPress is a nightmare? Or WordPress is nightmare fuel? Grumble, yo, what's up? I use Hugo for ours. Hugo SSG hosted on Cloudflare for Freebs. You just said 6 words. I don't know what any of them are. I know what hosted, on, and for are. You basically said nonsense. I like space. Yeah, you do. I need to make my website more sci-fi, but it's pretty nice right now. I like it. I like it. I like the font. Feels spacey. I like your logo. I like that the colors, the background colors, not just pure black. It's like this dark brown red. I like, oh, I didn't even notice these little dots. I didn't even notice because I'm so freaking blind. I didn't even notice these little dots. Oh, it's my plugin. Oh, yeah, you're right. Ah. Okay. Well, I still like, actually, it looks way more sci-fi without the dark mode. The dots are much more noticeable. There's a theme toggle. Yeah, it burns. Oh, there we go. Phew. Oh, okay. That's still not pure black, though, right? This is like 99% black. I'm sorry for hurting you, Grumble. It's not pure black, but it's almost, yeah. Yeah. UI tip for anyone out there making UIs. Never use pure black. This looks good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, yeah. All right. I was doing coding on speed mode, but it didn't work. So I need a reference to the image and the text using TM Pro. Public image using Unity engine.ui. Public text set display. Oh, wait a minute. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I already have like a display thing. Panel? Display panel? Display. Panel? Info? Ah, whatever. Set display. Sprite. Sprite. String. Info. And then if image dot sprite equals sprite info text dot text equals info. If image dot sprite equals null, then image dot enabled false, or then image dot game object dot set active not equal null, and then same text dot game object set active text dot text string dot is null or empty or white space is null or white space is null or white space opposite. Okay, cool. So that cleans itself up if it doesn't have anything to display. What's going on here? I'm working on in-game festivals. So, you know, like, oh, on the 5th of spring, there's some shit to do that's unique to this year. So I'm working on that. And now I'm trying to get them to show up in the in-game calendar. And I need to extend my in-game calendar and organize it a bit. So my in-game calendar script is horrifically unorganized. I made it many years ago. I haven't looked at it since. It's not great. So I'm going to organize it right now. So this is text. This is text. This is a text. Birthday sprite. Trying to get the graphical stuff. The graphical properties, the public references, and then everything else separate. Day number, day name, day index. Do I need all that stuff? I don't know. Yo, Walekia Games, how are ya? Also, Grumble, you ended early today. Usually you go later, I feel like. Do I set... Who sets this? Event slot prefab. Event slot container. Not too bad, thanks. Here with the morning cuppa and chill before the school run in 40 minutes. How about you? I'm doing good. Good morning to you, first of all. Welcome to today. A little sick, going to bed early. Oh, no. I'm sorry. I hope you feel better. I just have to play with this 3D thing before I can crawl into bed. You can't work on 3D on stream because everyone spams don't do 3D Grumble. And you even got so mad that you turned it off. How could you? All right, I am going to organize it even further using Cyrenex. Cyrenex.Odin Inspector. So this is title, right? What is this? UI elements. And then calendar. Whoa. Calendar properties. I feel like some of this stuff is not, it doesn't need to be public. I just had it public to test. So that's part of the problem. What doesn't, like this stuff? I don't think this stuff needs to be public. I don't think anything needs to be public. Whoa. Calendar display manager. Whatever this is completely not used. What? Why? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't remember how this works. Oh, because now it's the calendar scroll view manager. That's why. It looks like I don't grab anything from it. Calendar day display. What's a calendar day display? That's the script I'm changing right now, or I'm affecting. So I do grab calendar day, calendar day, calendar day. I'm just gonna start making stuff private and see what stops working. Yo, Augie! What up, Augie? How's it going? Just looking out for tornadoes. It's getting pretty dark out right now. It's kind of weird. Shout out to Augie. I feel like, okay. Private. Private. Uh-oh. Starting today late, but will start nevertheless. There we go. Nothing wrong with a late start. Whoa. Visual Studio has never crashed on me before. This is weird. A long day yesterday. What'd you get up to? All right, Visual Studio. I see. If there's one thing in the game that I probably need to refactor, it's my calendar. I remember making it like, let's just get something in there working. And then I added to it and I added to it and I added to it. And now it is what it is, but it's so unorganized. I don't even know how to look at it. An autosave has been found. Uh-oh. Yeah, load from autosave. Okay, we're back. Overwrite. Private. Private. Okay, this looks like I set it, right? Info group. What is info group? Info group. Oh, so this is the... This is the birthday. This already has the info text and the info image. So now instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an info group template. Okay, perfect. I got this. Oh, Augie, I'm sorry. Sent off comments. I'm really sorry to hear that. My condolences. 2 a.m. Yeah, that's a long day. Well, hopefully you can just chill. Just relax. Not think about too much. All right. I think what I'm going to do instead of add birthday event, it's just going to be add event. Add event. Add info event. Okay. Which will have affected something. Where'd it go? Well, whatever. So this already has a reference to the info group, right? Info panel. I don't need this anymore. Info image and background image. Okay. Info image and background image. Info image and background image. We don't need you anymore. And I'll pop this up to UI elements. And instead of saying info group, I'm going to call this info template. And it's going to be a reference to the calendar info panel. I'll call it actually info panel template. Grumble, you've never had Visual Studio crash before. What kind of deal did you make with the devil? I don't know. I did try and install GitHub Copilot today. I went to Visual Studio, extensions, and then I typed GitHub, and then I went Copilot, and then I gave up. Does anybody know how to install GitHub Copilot? I even Googled it. 0 updates available. Refresh. Could not get information from repository. Oh boy. Okay. I gave up. See, I gave up. Wait, why is this freaking out? Background image. Oh no. I deleted the wrong thing. Public image. Background image. I deleted the wrong thing. I wanted to get rid of info image. It's not even here. Okay. The background is this panel. That should always be there. Oh, look at that. I do use day number. What is this? What's day description panel? The funk are you? Day description panel. Am I even calendar day display? What's a day description panel? Oh. I know what it is. All right, fine. So you need to be public. Who else needs to be public? Day name, fine. Day name needs to be public. Fine. Yo, Cog! Pugs, he's a Mac user. Why would he need to also pay a subscription fee to hell? You think I already got my one-way ticket to hell because I'm a Mac user? Yo, Yag! Yaggy Yaxin free. Got him. Yeah, you got me good. Yo, I was a big troll today. I was a massive troll in everyone's chats today. I am truly not sorry. I'm not sorry. I need to get it out somewhere. What else is new? I love it. You guys would tell me if I'm trolling too hard, right? Okay, so this is actually this is no good. So what I want to do is you were menace in Finn's chat today. It was fire. I don't even remember what happened. Yeah, Soul Retriever. What is up? You can't troll too hard on your stream. You have no rules here. What do you mean? I got plenty of rules. I got auto mod. If we ever have to have a troll intervention, you'll know you went too far. How goes it? Automod blocking all my LMAOs. Not anymore. Just definitely don't raffle. You can LMAO, just don't raffle. You control Automod, you have the power? No way. Automod does what it wants. Turning cog. That is the most wholesome thing you've ever said. I don't even recognize you when you say that. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I am going to take this panel, and I want a public list of calendar info panels, and I'm going to dynamically spawn them and dynamically clean them up instead of having them in there. So when we add an event, I'm going to take the info panel template and duplicate it. How do I duplicate? Game object dot duplicate? Instantiate? Clones the original object and returns the clone. Okay. Game object. Game object, new panel info, new panel equals, okay. And then what I could say is calendar info panel info equals new panel dot get component calendar info panel. And then info dot text. No. And then what I need to know is what kind of event it is. If event display dot type equals birthday, then info dot. Whoa. That's the kind of lightning and that's the kind of thunder I've never heard before. It's just like a rolling thunder that is just not stopping. Set display. The sprite is birthday sprite. And the text is the NPC. Probably the same storm that passed through Cali a few days ago. I don't think storms go from Los Angeles to Japan. I think this is a new storm. Wait a minute. Okay. I Yeah, I don't see anything funny. I mean, yes, now it's completely dark. It's raining, but I don't see anything or hear anything bad. Does it smell like Cali rain? It's funny you say that, but I've noticed different places have different smells. I think it's purely based on like humidity. Like at a certain humidity level and temperature, there's like a certain smell associated with the weather. And right now it smells like Florida. Like when I go outside, it smells like Florida because of the heavy humidity and heavy heat. Do you see any cumulonimbus clouds? I do not. It's just one solid sheet of cloud in the sky. How am I supposed to know if one of them is cumulonimbus? Gross. Are you saying that because Florida? Wait, what was I just about to do? Oh, right. The camera is. I guess it's okay. Lighting's okay. So now. Lightning. So now I don't even care what display it is. It's just set the info. No, 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 no. I'm in the wrong place. I'm in the wrong place. Yeah, I don't need this. You're the expert. I couldn't even spell it a few minutes ago. I mean, I had to Google it. I don't know anything. Calendar system. Calendar. Wait, where did this get added? I forget. Calendar scroll view, that's right. So here's where I don't care. I don't care if it's a birthday or... So now they all get added regardless. Okay. Let's get rid of some stuff I don't need. Don't need this. Don't technically need those. So we want to do this and then add this to the list of panels. Info panels dot add info. So we're adding an info event. We're adding it to the list here. And we have to, I have to set it to be active because I'm going to have it off by default. Game object or new panel dot set active true. And then when we clean up the day, clear all event info, reset slots, slot available, info update, clear display. So here what I'm actually going to do is, so info text, don't need that anymore. And it's going to be reset slots and then reset info panels. Public void reset info panels for each calendar info panel in panels. Actually, no, I want to traverse this list backwards and destroy them all, right? or index equals panels. Do I have to do that? Actually, I don't know. Or should I just recycle them? I feel like I should just recycle them. So yeah, you know what? I'll just turn them off. Panel.gameObject.setActive false. So I'm going to turn all of those off. And then before I instantiate one, I just see if there's one off that I could use. So here I'll say if for each info panels, calendar info panel, and panels, if panel game object new panel if new panel equals null. So if we get to here, it means we didn't find one. Equals null. And then if panel dot game object dot get active self. If we're not active, then new panel equals panel. Dot game object. And then calendar info. Oh, you know what? I don't even need this, actually. We can just say new panel equals panel, and then we can instantiate and then immediately get component calendar info panel. And then we don't need this. Add that, and then dot game object. Okay, that's a little cleaner. It's not that clean, but yeah, Florida. I had a terrible time in that heat. Yeah, Florida's rough. I almost passed out in Florida once when I was a kid. I was heavily dehydrated. I was playing in like the backyard. I was very young. It was like 100 degrees, and I remember getting really dizzy, and I found it hard to walk, and I was getting nauseous, and I was just like struggling to get inside because yeah, that was rough. And I didn't know what heat exhaustion was at the time. So I just thought something was wrong with me. I mean, something was wrong with me, but I didn't realize that drinking water helps. Just getting over the ridiculous heat wave we've been having 108 to 115 on the daily. Jesus, just now this week it has cooled off to the 80s. Yeah, it's funny when like 80s is cool now. That's how that's what's happened to me here. If it's in the 80s, then I'm like happy. Taze NZ, welcome in. I don't know, but I don't know why, but if statements make me happy. They make me happy too. Display type equals festival. So, okay, if it's a festival, if it is a festival, what is main info? What is main info? Calendar event display. Associated NPC, event title, event description. Where do I set this stuff? I set this stuff, I think, in line when I Declare it. Calendar event. Calendar events in the calendar system. Persistent. Okay, I actually have no idea what shows up. Well, let's just see. I don't know. Let's just see what happens. So set display. So the sprite is going to be the sprite is going to be main info.sprite icon. All right, main info needs an icon. Public sprite. 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 So this is going to be sprite. And then main info dot title, event title. Okay. I don't know, maybe. Yo, Darth Blackman, how's it going? Lodoc, how are you? How else are you going to learn to drink water? Yeah, I learned that day. I learned that day to drown myself in water. We're in ads. None of you hear me, maybe. Oh, now all of these are going to be upset because I don't define a sprite null. So I don't assign one for birthdays. It's fine. And then I don't assign one for... Oh, I should just set it to null. Why am I not setting it to null? I should set it to null by default. Where is that? There we go. Now what are you upset by? Okay, so this is where I register the festival, and the festival has its own icon. So festival... Band Herkenti. You're out of here. Festival.icon. Okay. Am I almost there? Are we almost there? Am I cool now? No. If I can't be cool, you can't be cool either. All right. Here we go. Are you ready? So this is the template. It needs to be off. More spam? I'm getting hit with the bots right now. I wonder if any of these people are real. That Seribot just bans instantly. It's because you are a safe space. Am I able to see what those messages were? Makes you a target. This is a relatively safe space. Relatively. All right, that didn't work. New panel, instantiate. Oh wait, I didn't set it. Don't think if it's deleted, yeah. It gets it so fast it doesn't even make its way to the to like the on-screen chat. So this goes there. It's still ugly, and I only kind of know how it works now. Okay, I didn't get an error, but it also didn't show anything. So what's up with that? Let's see what's going on in the calendar itself. Pause. System contents, panels, calendar, day description. No, calendar, scroll, view, viewport, content, day 0, 2. It has no info panels. Even the birthday didn't show up. Oh, wait. Wait. Day 1 has an info panel. Calendar info. Oh, it's up here. Oh. Oh. So how do I say just like copy it with the same parent? Instantiate parent. Okay, so I want the old parent info panel template dot parent transform dot parent. Instantiate in world space. Sure. When you assign world position stays. True. Yes. Okay. Because the layout group's going to reorder it anyway, or it's going to put it where it needs to go. It's probably going to pop, or yeah, it's probably going to put it at the bottom of the list, which I don't want. Okay. So now, what's the problem? It's here. Oh, these are hidden. What? Huh? Why is everything hidden? That's weird. Info. Day display. Calendar day display. These are not hidden. That's weird. Wait, what? Insert 3 coins. I am confused by your message. Welcome in if you're real. Can't you read code? No. Code deleted by Twitch viewer. I don't know what that means. Like, I don't get the joke. Like, was your chat message code? And Twitch detected it and now it's gone? Oh, wait. Okay. I know what's happening. I know what's happening. It's hiding it in the setter. It's doing it here. So image.sprite, if image.sprite does not equal null, then set active to be true. Yeah. Yeah. That's exactly what I want. But it's, oh, okay. Sprite. No? No, wait. What am I doing here? What the hell am I doing? This is failing for some reason. Is it because I'm setting the display? Huh? Set display. I pass in stuff. Oh, wait. There's no there is no icon. And it's possible event title is null as well. Looks out of the glass in the reflection and jumps out of the water. Connie! Connie, how's it going? I don't understand. Where are you in that situation? You're looking out of the glass in the reflection and jumps out of the water. Where are you? That sounds dangerous. How are you doing, Connie? Okay. The next thing is I only want to add this if I instantiate. Otherwise, I don't want to add anyone. I forgot about that. So my festival system, when I... So the NPC... Oh, look at that. This first string is NPC and I'm saying display name. The NPC is nothing. What I really want to do is set the title, which is the first string. This is the title, display name. I feel like this is going to work now. Is this ever going to be co-op? My partner walked past my PC and was like, ooh, nah, it's not going to be co-op. I can't do it. Maybe in the future, but you know, I looked at my schedule and how to complete this game, and I don't even think a year is enough. I think I need more than a year. So, and you know, co-op's nowhere on that list. I feel like that would take me another year. Or I'd have to hire people. And I can only do that after release if the game makes money. I was in the mirror world. Oh right. Wait, I thought you exist in the shadow plane. Connie, where are you? Okay, look at that. Butterfly Migration Festival. It showed up in the wrong day, but it showed up. And there's no icon, which is normal. All right, we did it. But it still says no festivals here. And that's easy to fix. Stardew Valley took 4 years. I'm already on year 4. But Stardew Valley creator, he worked on his game full time for 4 years. I work on this extremely part-time. So it's probably going to take me, yeah, it's going to take me 5 years to get to where it took him to get, probably where he got in 3. It's going to take me 5. Make just a second controllable unit, and you can only move together. So only when your buttons align. A mirror is reflecting of light. So what do you think is on the other side of the light when the light got reflected. I see what you mean. Wait, the pacifist has it going. Chickens, chickens, coop, coop, co-op. Seems like it's on trend with recent streams. Ridiculous. Oh wait, I'm okay working regular work until I can work on Jern Jam. Nice, you're working on Jern Jam. Tell us about your Jern Jam project. Don't worry, I understand. I can't even figure out co-op or GML. Pretty sure GML can't handle it anyway. What's GML? Game Maker? All right, we're close. We're close. We're close. The one thing I want to do is get it showing up on the right day, and that's because specific day is one off. And what is this asking for? It's a timekeeper date. Interesting. So the birthday is wrong. What's Jeff's birthday? Jeff's birthday should be the 6th. I think I made Jeff's birthday the 6th. And it's on the 5th. Okay. So it is off. So the problem actually is here. If I go to Jeff, NPC, basic Jeff, and I say birthday is spring 5. Oh. Okay. If I go to Spring Festival. Oh, I'm a dum-dum. I'm a dum-dum. I'm a dum-dum. There, now it's the 2nd. So that was I mean, the code's fine. User error. Started doing a GML project for Pirate Software's Game Jam a few months ago, but never stopped working on it. Oh, nice, nice. Feel free to share your work. Anyone out there, feel free to share your work. I want to see what you're all working on. The idea is basic, just a simple space shooter where you fight a never-ending dying tentacle monster in space. But I want to prove that it's easy to integrate Twitch in an itch.io Godot game, so this one should have fewer interactions. Oh, that's cool, Connie. There are only 2 problems in programming: cache invalidation, naming things, and off by 1 error. I love that one. Yeah, I love that one too. That's a good one. Because as I'm reading it, I'm just like, wait, that's 3. Oh. The game aspect is, wait, pretty much wife and I take on the game Potion Craft with a little more shop aspect. I don't know why I typed pretty much. You mean pretty much? I don't know Gen Z speak. I can't speak Gen Z. Multitasking. Sorry, no worries. No worries. No worries. Was that was the whole one. Let's do some Zelda. We haven't listened to Zelda in a while. Do we want with rain or without rain? Definitely with rain, right? I want to double up on the rain that's already outside. Yeah, Zelda. We're gonna listen to some of these Zelda. Yo, Cthulhu! Unity is currently broadcasting their keynote from Barcelona, calling it Unite 2024. Wait. Unite 2024 is just a stream now? Wait, they wouldn't do it now. Wait, they really are. I'm actually curious about this. Why can't I collaborate with Unity? I want to knock on them. Look, we got a little shout out. We got a little welcome. All right, I'm not gonna watch. I'm like genuinely curious about what they have to say, but I'm not gonna do it right now. Shout out to Unity. All right, so where were we? Where were we? Thank you for the heads up, Cthulhu. In the interest of being fair, you should also shout out Godot Engine Official. I've shouted them out before. Yeah, when I get my timer back, I'll shout out Godot Engine Official. I'll even shout out Unreal. Does Game Maker have their own Twitch channel? All right, where was I? What was I just doing? So, okay, the display name works. The correct day is now there. I want to give it an icon, Festival Spring A, just to make sure it shows up. And this is like a butterfly festival. Do I have a butterfly? No. Do I have, let's see, icon. Let's just see if I have like something. Oh, wait, animal. Come on, butterfly. Come on. Yeah, I've got a butterfly. Which one? This one or this one? Oh, that's a moth. That's a butterfly. Okay, cool. Now let's see what happens. All right, it shows up on the right day. It's got an icon. What? Yo, Hypnotic Games. Shout out to Hypnotic. Boom. Yo, how you doing? That Gamer, welcome back. Iria. Playing or making? We're making. Welcome in. We're making an Innkeeper-Sim, life sim game. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. The game I'm making is called Alpine Lake. Woot woot. Yo, Hypnotic, how was your stream? Everyone, make sure to give Hypnotic a follow. It was good. If you don't know Hypnotic, he's working on a pirate software meme game. Updated itch. Very nice. Do you have something playable? Learn some Blender. Ooh. Grandma, who is Andrew? I'm Andrew. Trying to make music. Damn, you're trying to do all of it. That's one thing I will never do. I will never try. Okay. As I say that, I'm like, maybe I'll try one day. I will not be making my own music for this. All right. Obviously, I have a problem here. Butterfly Migration Festival is a little long for a festival name. Maybe I just need a festival icon. Or maybe I just say the word festival, and then over here I say what the festival is. But yeah, welcome in everybody. Today I'm working on festivals and calendar events and making them show up in the calendar and stuff like that. That's me. Wait, what? Is your name also Andrew? Am I missing something? But yeah, feel free to also make sure to share anything that you worked on during stream or anything you want to share at all. Doesn't matter. You can shorten it to butt fat. What? Connie? The doing everything. Ah, yeah. I like to do what I'm good at, and I like to do, yeah, just things that I'm good at. And I've never tried to make music, and I'm not good at it, so I'm not going to try now. Azul Ryu, welcome in. I've been sharing in Finn's Discord if you want to mock my art. Hells yeah. Azul, thank you for the posture check. I definitely want to mock your art. Send me a link. Where do art feedback and stuff? Art showcase? 3D stuff? Where do you put your stuff? Turning cog. You modeled a wheel. We're going to rip this wheel to shreds. Oh my god, I can't freaking wait. First of all, it's a wonderful wheel. I would say it's too many polygons. Rip to shreds. No, it looks great. It's probably too many polygons. I would imagine this is a very small item. So that's my Discord. But I'm looking in Finn's Discord right now. Cog, you did post something in my Discord, right? What did you post in mine? You posted like a cart. Here's what you posted. Yeah, look at that. What is this thing? What the hell is this? And why are you making it? Who is Finn? Finn's my mod. Finn Sifty Cat. It's my trusted mod. Wait, let me scroll up. I'm missing a lot. That's the difference. I'm not technically good at coding. Just good enough to fake it. I guess I'm not good at coding either. I just try my best. If you read my description, I refuse. I refuse to read. Why would you make me read? Yes, I know it's a mess. I started to simplify some of the lines, and I still need to build the bolt geo with a bunch of extra loops. No, less loops. Less is more. This is such a tiny thing. Is this a first person? Is this a first person game? So the camera is going to be like what, 6 feet off the ground? You're not going to be able to see this tiny thing. Less geo. That's my like brutal honesty. But I will say it looks nice. I'll be right back. Then I will play your Alpine Lake demo. That's wonderful. So yeah, Raiders, welcome in. I feel like I did a poor job greeting you all, but yeah, this is what I'm working on right now. This game. Could always use that as the high poly version for normal map baking. Yeah, you can. But I mean, this is why I would never make a game with detailed textures on everything. That object is so tiny. You don't want to spend more than like 15 minutes making that thing. Think about it. If you spend more than 15 minutes making that thing and texturing it, how are you going to finish a whole game? You love these games. Perfect. How long were you on this game? I'm in year 4. I just entered year 4 of development. No. Yeah. Yeah. It reminds me of my time at Porsche and Sandrock. Yeah, I reference my time at Porsche a lot. It's one of my reference games for sure. Maybe I need to redesign this a bit. Oh, you know what I should do? Okay, I have an idea. So this info panel should probably also have not day 1, day 2. Well, first of all, this thing needs to it needs to be here. And what if I put a text add component content size fitter vertical min preferred. What? Why? Oh, because the overflow. What are my overflow settings? Text. Overflow. Ellipse masking. Scroll rect? No. Page? No. Linked? No. Ellipsis? No. Overflow? Yeah. Why is unconstrained? Preferred. It's thinking that it's all on one line. Like it's sizing it to this, not this. Or maybe it is. Yeah, oh, it is. Okay. The problem is oh, the problem is this. This height. This height is locked. So this one needs as well. Content size fitter preferred. There we go. All right, so they both just need it. Got it. I also don't model a lot. Cog. I appreciate your effort, and you're going to get good. Trust me. You just keep doing it. They're my favorite games in the genre, so I will love yours. Maybe. I reference Stardew Valley way more than I reference my time in Porsche. Yeah, it definitely leans Stardew and Harvest Moon-esque game. Okay, so day, calendar info panel. No, calendar day display. There we go. It's this thing. This thing needs a content fitter with preferred vertical. And this one, oh, and this needs some padding. So top needs to be like 5 or 10. Bottom needs to be 10. And then info image. Oh, this is ignore. So that's totally fine, actually. And then the text also needs content size fitter, preferred vertical. So now when it does overflow, so like Christopherson, Chris, yeah, that looks like it's doing it correctly. Cool. And is there anything else I'm missing? No, let's see. Oh yeah, I was supposed to give Godot Engine Official a shout out. There you go. If anyone uses Godot and wants to watch Godot Engine Official, now you can click that heart button and do that. All right, cool. Look at that Butterfly Migration Festival. So now it shows up properly. And looks, I mean, it's kind of lame. It's pretty lame. This is a lame display. I was watching Godot and Rust be civil in the same chat. That was entertaining. Wait, there's like a Rust official? I did not realize that. How funny would it be if like Godot Engine official was like doing their takeover stream, but it's Unity. They're just being nice. I think I need some space between these two things as well. Space 5, space 15. Wait, 20. Whoa, no, 15. And then force expand width. What if I don't do that and control? Whoa, that's terrible actually. Wait, I literally just sent this to. Oh, it's because I'm forcing it. Yeah, I can't do that actually. Let's set that back to 5. 30. Yeah, I don't want to force expand it. And then I also want it to be from middle left. And then this, okay, this is free to be that big. No, damn it. 30. Maybe the minimum size is now 20, max. Okay, let's see if that works. And then what's next? The display of the info needs to update as well. So calendar menu. Wait, where's the prefab for the day display? Event spot, day display. And then there's like event, calendar event, calendar event. Oh, it must not be a prefab. Day description panel. A day description panel. Look at this. So, oh, okay. Okay. I just dump a bunch of text in here. That's kind of terrible. Festivals. Here we go. I cycle through all the events and I find events that are of type festival. And oh, event title. Am I setting this? I might not be setting this. Yo, Beardy. Don't look, Unite Keynote 2024. Yeah, we were just watching it. Sometimes Unity does a raid. I've seen Unity raid Unity devs. That'd be fun. So yeah, why is this not happening? Print. Yo, what? That should do something. The only thing I could think of is that event title is nothing, and then it's basically adding nothing to that string. Wait, what happened? Oh, I left that on. So yeah, it's not even hitting that code. Wait, what? This isn't even happening. Calendar. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. I'm not setting this. I'm never setting this. So here, I think default is birthday. Default is birthday, and I'm not setting it anywhere. Also, Arya and SNZ, welcome to the Discord. So I'm adding info event, calendar event, but I'm not saying what that event is. So I should say here, calendar event type. Type. And main info. Oh, where do I make this? Oh, I don't. So when I make this, oh yeah, display type. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm a dum-dum. I just broke it. Where did I make, where did I, no, where did I make that? Is it here? Oh, right, it was this. Calendar event. Calendar event is this. This persistent. Ghost Monk, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How are you? Oh, wait a minute. One more place where I'm not doing it. I think it's in the festival declaration itself. No, look at that. I'm saying it's of type festival. There we go. So what's going on here? Event title. How am I setting that? I'm setting that in title. I'm definitely setting that. I know 100% I'm setting that. Because I'm grabbing that same value to show in the calendar day. Calendar scroll view. So let's follow. So new selection, I pass in the day display. The day display is okay. Selection get component day display. It's this. I mean, this should be festival. All right, let's just look at the values. It should all be serialized. All right, this is bugging me too. One sec. This needs to be hidden. So what's up with this? Day 2. Let me just actually, so day 5. Day 5. How does it know it's a birthday? It's because when I get this calendar day display, calendar day description panel, I cycle through all the events, all the event displays, which are in day guest info. Guest info? Huh? Guest info? What the hell? Why do I put stuff in guest info? Why do I put birthday stuff in guest info? Add guest stay event. Okay. I mean, that's a bad name for it, but whoa, and I use it so often. What if I wait a minute. How are even birthdays added to this? How are birthdays added to this? I don't remember. Print. It's a birthday that's in guest info. I feel like this ain't true. No, look. I do this, but then I do this. I don't use this. That's the problem. I cycle through all these events. I don't use these. What I do use is this. I grab the main info display type. If it's a birthday, And this is not null or white spaces, then I do that. Okay. If day dot main info dot display type. This is really lame. This is why I don't like this script. I made it so long ago. It's just so lame. Calendar event. Festival. End. String dot is null or white space. Day dot main info dot title. Then I say festivals plus equals string dot format. Leave me alone, Duolingo. Day dot main info dot event title. Okay. So now I'm confident this works. I'm also confident this is garbage and not used. This is garbage, not used. Okay. The only problem with this system is main info is not a list. I can't have, no, cog. Cog. All right, fine. I'll do a quickie. Duolingo text me to tell you it misses you. First of all, it's Duolingo. Second of all, Duolingo knows not to text you. It's very late. Feed the bird. Yeah, I gotta feed the bird. Okay, this should work now, though. Butterfly Migration Festival. Butterfly Migration Festival. There we go. Yo, Gertie Goose. Gritty Goose. It would be cool when it would be Duolingo fight against someone else with words. That's like rap battle. That's when you get so good at the language, you rap battle each other. All right, I'll do some Duolingo. You guys really like it when my viewer numbers get cut in half. Apparently. All right, let's see how fast I can go. Futoi. Futoi is thick. Futoi. It's thick or thin. Futoi penokus. Actually, why does it have Romanjian? Get out of here. Show Japanese. Why won't it switch? There we go. Futoi pen no kudasai. A thick pen, please. Hosoi. Nichiwa. Michi. Oh, Michi. Yukkuri susumimasu. Yosoi michi wa yukkuri susumimasu. Please go slow on this thin street. I go slow on narrow roads. Whoops. Usui. Tabemono. Hosoi. Atsui. Futoi. Okay. Hosoi pen wa arimasu ka? Ichinensai? Ichinensei? What is that? Ichinensei. I forget what that means. Hosoi. Usui. Futoi. Atsui. That clothing is not thick. Sono fuku wa futukunai? Futukunai? Atsukunai. Sono fuku wa atsuku. Wait, What? Atsuku ie? No. Arimasen. Atsuku arimasen. その服は熱くありません。その色い鉛筆は、what? 太いですか? Is that colored pencil thick? その色鉛筆太い。Oh, は太いですか? このシャツは少し薄いです。So that shirt is a little thin? This shirt's a little thin. This shirt is a little thin. 熱くありません. Dan Jammin, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. その服は what? 熱くありません. It's not thick. その服は熱くありません. That clothing is not thick. I bought a pen. I bought a thin pen at the store. Okay. 店で、細いペンを買いました。店で細いペンを買いました。この箸は少し太いです。このお箸は少し太いです。Is that colored pencil thick? その色鉛筆は太いですか ?or 厚いですか太い。その色鉛筆は太いですか辞書は薄くありません。The dictionary is not thin. Dictionaries are not thin. この本はあまり熱くあります。熱くありません ?This book この本はあまり熱くありません。Okay. Almost. The textbook for that class is very thin. その授業に Oh no, actually I don't know. その授業の I forget the word for textbook. 教科書。その授業の教科書はとっても薄いです。Is that right? その授業の教科書はとっても薄い。Oh, that's right. Okay. This shirt is a little thin. このシャツはあまり薄いです。このシャツは Wait, a little thin. 少し薄いです。We did it. Thank you for hanging in there, everybody. Oh, I got a boost. I'll send one back. 398. 2 more to 400. All right, where did I leave off? I left off with it working. I also left off with me hating every bit of the code. Every bit of it. It's a total garbage fire. Dumpster fire. So we go to the calendar. It's got the icon. It's got the text. Should I make these buttons wider? Wait, let me scroll back. I forgot to go back to chat. It's important to me you get let into local restaurants while you are there. Yes, it's important to me too. I've been to that restaurant I ranted about the other day. I've been back there like 3 times. I make a reservation and everything's fine. But the last time I went, which was 2 nights ago, I walk up and the waiter is outside smoking a cigarette. Tabako suiteimasu. And usually what they say is, do you have a reservation? Sorry, we're booked. This time, didn't ask if I had a reservation. He just said, oh, sorry, full. And I shot back really fast and really like angrily. I'm like, yoyaku shiteimashita, which is, I made a reservation. And I said it so mad and I felt a fire in my chest. Like it was total road rage. I road raged a reservation. And he immediately was like, "Oh, okay." And he let me in. And he didn't even ask me my name. He didn't even confirm that I had a reservation. He just was like, "Oh, okay, come with me." So, I'm ashamed that I got so mad, but hey, it worked. And we had a reservation. Excuse me, streamer, do you have a moment to talk about our Lord and Savior Unity Chan? Can we talk about how Unity just did a stream and they're not raiding into a fun Unity dev? You found the key to how to get in anywhere in Japan? It's possible. But I think they probably looked at their reservation history, saw a white person's name, and assumed it was me. Um, I don't think that would work everywhere. Plus, I've been there like 5 times. I've been there 3 times now. 5 if you count me going for lunch. I've been there 5 times now. Like, I'm trying to turn it into a local joint that I frequent often because it's really good food. But they're making it difficult by being very busy and requiring reservations. All right, so this works. I mean, it's boring. There's a festival. I don't say where it takes place. Maybe I should have like a where it takes place. So the thing I'm upset about this whole calendar system is I should be, instead of like spinning up new data with like the event and the icon and passing all that along, I should just pass along the festival. Like the festival should be passed along, not the data associated with the festival jammed into a certain parameter that works. So we're gonna do a little refactoring. Do you not have a local name by now? No. It's a calendar. It's meant to be boring. I mean, it's meant to be boring, but it should have better information on it. It should have a better display. And it doesn't have to be boring. You can make a calendar not boring. You can totally make a calendar not boring. And why do I even say birthdays, no birthdays, guests staying, there are no guests staying? Like, I should just not have anything there. This should just say nothing. You should call yourself Sandshrew. Get it? It's a Pokemon and kind of your name. Sandshrew Andrew. That's pretty good. But that's not my favorite Pokemon. What is my favorite? I don't know. Maybe Bulbasaur. Ditto? Ditto's your favorite? Wait, whose is... I think... Is it Fanny Slam? Someone's favorite is Ditto. Like some streamer. Because Ditto could be anyone or anything you want. Yeah, with like ridiculous eyes. All right, how am I going to refactor this? What are we going to do? How am I going to make this better? Just put googly eyes on top of their eyes? Yeah. Aren't they just like, they're just like black dots. Whatever the Pokemon's eyes are, now they're just like black voids. Anyway, Munoz, how you doing? How are you? Oh, wait a minute. Someone had a bug where it was showing the wrong date. I wonder what that was about. Let's see. Been better. Didn't manage to sell the house, and now I'm sad. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, you said that yesterday. Or 2 days ago or 3 days ago? I don't remember. Also, if anyone's on the tweeters, make sure to click the heart. Click the heart on that little guy. We got a new post. Every day, new post. I'm not allowed on Twitter. What did you do? Who did you offend? Don't repeat it. I've decided not to wait. I'm going to start doing things already. There we go. There we go, Munez. What's the point of waiting? Just do. All right, what am I missing now? So my little list. I made a list, right? Festivals. Get festivals appearing in the calendar. Done. Remove chat indicators from quest indicators on NPCs. That I will do. That's easy. Ooh, that should be easy. I got this. I got this. All I have to do is go to generic, basic generic. Horrible name for an NPC. And go to the quest, the thought canvases. Yeah, the thought canvas. And here I can turn off the canvas. Straight up turn off the canvas if we're in a festival. So game event. I don't have a game event listener. Object event. No, that's crazy. I don't have a game event listener. How about festival system? No. I don't have a game event listener. All right, I guess I'm making that now. Game event listener. Game event listener. I'll say a game event. Guest. Game event. Game event, game event, game event. This is now game event listeners. Game event type. If game event type equals the event type and... Nope, no end. And then this is the event. We don't even want that. Okay. If game event wait, why is it upset now? Oh. There we go. Okay. Now I can trigger that on and off when I get a game event. If I know what I did, I wouldn't be in this trouble because I could tell them and they would let me back in. I did tweet at the actor who played Chandler Bing, apologize for what I did to Benny in Fallout Envy, but I doubt that was it. Yeah, R.I.P. Matthew Perry. So now I have a game event listener. I can add a listener. I could say, if festival is loaded, turn off this canvas. Canvas enabled equals false. And then add another one. If the festival is unloaded. Wait a minute. This is only if you're in that zone. Every NPC is going to be at every festival. Is that true? Is this a true thing? Right now it is. Let's just say it is. If I need to change it later, I'll change it later. But like Paul walks from his... Oh, right. Paul can't get to the festival. That's another issue. Paul is stuck in his house because he's not connected to the nav mesh. Let's fix that as well. So once the festival is unloaded, we turn their canvases back on. Cool. Yo, the fee. GM. I don't often write fan mail, but I was proud of that one. I wrote some fan mail too. I posted on Don Bluth's Twitter. About to have my first interview for the industry. Wish me good luck. Yo, good luck. Good luck. Let's see. That should be it. That should be it for there. Dev source, or where is it going? They're using visual scripting for the events. No. I don't use visual scripting for anything. Okay, cool. So now their chat bubbles are gone. And I talk to them and they say the wrong thing. Oh no. Why do they say the wrong thing now? Why does one say one wrong one thing? Hmm. Am I doing the logic incorrectly now? Because I changed. Yeah, I am. I'm totally doing it incorrectly. Hmm. Just tell them you're better than them, and they're lucky that you even interview. Yes, do that. Say, you're lucky I'm even here. This is barely worth my time. I will be asking no questions. Whatever your starting salary is, double it. And then just walk out and see what happens. 95% of the time they'll go, wait, before you go, let's chat, don't leave. 95% of the time. The other 5% of the time they're offended by that statement. But 5% is pretty low, so. Before you go, can you sign the guest book? A guest book for an interview? That's ridiculous. Yeah, they painted one wall in their office chalk. It's like, oh, here, take a piece of chalk and sign the wall. Knowing my luck, that 5% is more like 95% on the bad end. No. So why is this not working? Get today's festival. Let's see, print, what? Print, festival.display name. Print, didn't find a thing. Interview was fine. I had a cup of coffee. It didn't taste bad. What time is it? It is 5:30. All right, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. Right. I need to talk to them to see those. What? Didn't find a thing. Well, there's your problem. Why didn't we find a thing? Specific day is day. Spring. Yo, thief. Or the fee. The fee. Thank you for the sub. Wait till you get the job, then sub. God. 5:30, where do you live? I'm in Japan. It's 5:30 p.m. I saw the Family Guy episode a few days ago when Quagmire takes Meg to his cabin when she turns 18, where they sign the guest book on the way out. Oh, God, that sounds terrible. I hate that. You got the name right as well. Okay, good. Thiefy. Oh, it's Thiefy. I see. I was not expecting you to say Japan then. Holy. Zello, how's it going? It's like a dream place for most. Yeah. No, this is a dream place. Like, this was years in the making, and I'm having a blast. It's awesome. So why are we not working? Return is day, season, get relative month, get year. If the year is -1, then just check for the season and the day. If the year is not -1, then compare the years. Oh, timekeeper. Wait, nah. Our year, not timekeeper's year. Bye, all. Going for the interview. All right. Thiefy. Good luck. I was about to say, oh, you probably didn't hear that because the ad started, but you literally just subbed, so if you're still here, you could have heard that. Let's see. Let's just print out the comparison. So the comparison is month, season, and day, and year. So this should tell us why it's not working. I still hear it. There has been a delay on the ads from when they are meant to go off. Oh, okay. Weird. I thought you didn't get ads. Debug.log. Oh, can I not do this formatted string? Yeah, this is a... It's not a print thing. This is a C# thing, right? I can still see you. Hey. Careful. You should be in ads right now. You shouldn't be able to see me. Don't look at me. Imagine streaming and getting really uncomfortable when people look at you. I mean, I guess that's why some people use VTubers or just don't have their camera. Spring, 2-1. -1, 0. Wait, what? Okay, 0 is normal. That's normal. But it's not the first. It's the second. Get relative day in month. 0 to 27. The timekeeper day is between 0 and 27. Oh. So, spring date condition. Yo, what up? Devs Badges. How the hell are you? Welcome in, Raiders. Yeah, good morning. How are you? How was your stream? Thank you for the raid. Everybody, if you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I work on a game called Alpine Lake. It's a cozy Innkeeper-Sim. I'm going to play the trailer. And yeah, if you have anything you want to share, I'm going to grab your Steam page. But if you have anything specific you want to share, like any work in progress, feel free to drop links. This is what I'm working on. Wait a minute, did you change your capsule art? Did you give your Steam page a little overhaul? Buckle up, Raiders, this trailer is a wild ride. It's truly wild. So your game promoted by Pirate Software, cool stuff. Yeah, that was awesome. That's been huge. But yeah, everyone make sure to purchase Stardew. How do you pronounce it? Please tell me how to pronounce it. Is it Stardust? Stardeus? I never know. Store page changed for the last major update. Like, I don't even know how to say that. Is it De? I always say Deus. It's not Deus, is it? Deus Ex? Stardeus? That can't be right. Star Day. Oh, it is Star Day. Okay. Stardeus. Stardeus? Stardeus. Stardeus. Okay. Now that makes me feel better. But yeah, that's the trailer. That's what I'm working on. Today, I'm trying to get unique festivals into the game. So I've got a calendar that I'm trying to get the festival to show up in the calendar, and then everything in the game kind of changes based on the day. Nailed it. Okay, cool. Yeah, I really appreciate the raid. This is Stardeus. This is what Dev Spagus is working on. This is a fully featured game. It's in early access. Give it a whirl. Give it a wish list at least. Oof. Let's make it nice and big. Is this trailer new? I don't remember this. This is crazy. Ralph. I like the Roomba. So detailed. So cool. If you're into like RimWorld or Caves of Cud or what are those? What's that other very popular one that just came out? They just remastered it. I forget. But yeah, it looks like every little nook and cranny has so much detail. Dwarf Fortress. Yeah, yeah. Got to go get my lunch. Have a good stream. All right, thank you, and enjoy your lunch. Yeah, welcome in everybody. So right now I have I was just refactoring. I was just doing a little bit of refactoring, and there's the rogue. There's the rogue date I was looking for. So what I'm trying to do is make sure that there's one place where I set the day of a festival, just one place, and then the whole game can like rearrange itself to match that one day. But when I do days, obviously calendar days start at 1, but you know, computer lists start at 0, so I keep using the wrong thing. So it's supposed to be 0 to 27 is my 1 to 28 day. So everything thinks it's on day 2, but some things think it's on day 1. So I got to make sure everything's aligned. And I believe it's the festival itself. So I'm comparing it to current time. That's today's festival. And the place where I believe is doing the wrong thing is the it's where we load additional scenes. So town scene? Nah. What am I looking for? The warp, yeah, the warp system. Can load additive scenes. I evaluate using, okay, I evaluate using current time, which it's exactly what it should be. That's how it knows it's spawning on the right day. But for some reason, their conversations are not coming back correctly. Wait, what even is the problem anymore? Forget. Right, their conversations are not proper. Right? Can we get butterfly jerky at this festival? No way. No way, Cog. All right, obviously the festival worked. The calendar shows it on the wrong day now. And Eugene says the right thing. Okay, so now the only thing that's wrong is the calendar. What? How is the latest thing that I was working on the wrong thing? Calendar menu, calendar day info, calendar scroll view. Okay, here. I add calendar day, calendar day. Oh, because calendar day is a relative day and timekeeper day dot day is the 0 to, look, it even says it right there, 0 to 27, but calendar day, so this just needs to be +1. No. No. It's more complicated than that. Yo, Ward Stone. Ward Stone. Thank you for the raid. Welcome in. It's like the 4th raid today. Shout out to Wardstone. Yo, welcome in. Welcome in, Raiders. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew Cohen. I'm working on a cozy game called Alpine Lake. Oh, great. The Mirror's Edge and Portal Speedrunner found us. Yeah, what were you up to today, Wardstone? How'd you get on? I caught your stream the other day when you were playing Portal with Basie. Is that what you were talking about, Cog? Oh, this code is giving me a headache now. This code is giving me a headache. Oh. Learning how to do inventory stuff in Game Maker. Game Maker is your main engine of choice, right? Lots of nested with statements. What's a with statement? That sounds like special Game Maker stuff. Mortson, do you have anything you want to share with us? Game Maker is my baby, yeah. Turns out that it's very flavors of C#. Wait, it's very flavors C#. Like it's kind of like C#. I remember I saw like one thing in it. And the language itself looked more like a markup language than a coding language. It looked like HTML. I'm trying to wrap my head around something annoying today. I have to start from the beginning. When a festival exists, we add it to the calendar. So we say, hey, calendar, here's a bunch of festival dates. Date, condition, specific day. Okay, we give it the day. When we listen for this event, we add it to the calendar events persistent group or list. Okay. Then that's just in the calendar system. Okay. Then in the scroll view manager, we grab that group. We cycle through all the days. We check to see if the calendar day equals calendar event timekeeper day. So no, that's the problem. Timekeeper.day plus 1. That's what I did before, and I'm like, no, that's not it. But it's definitely it. Okay, we're good. We're good. It's going to work. Flavored C#, I see. Very similar to Unity. Just had a few extra. Just has a few extras for 2D games. Are you saying Game Maker has extras? I'm curious. I'm always curious about all these other softwares. I can never change my software, but I'm always curious about the other ones. What's even more curious is like how people choose them. Like Game Maker, if you Google how to make games, is Game Maker the first thing that pops up? I feel like they chose their name based on like search engine optimization. How to make games. Make your own game, build box. What the hell is build box? Look at that, G-develop. Wait, G-develop is not Godot. That's GD script, that's right. Thomas Brush? Thomas Brush is one of the first things that pops up. He has 300,000 followers on YouTube. I did not realize that. Okay, Game Maker. Oh, look at that. People also search for Game Maker, Unity, Scratch, G-develop, Godot, Struct. So yeah, Game Maker is, I guess this is like the first thing in the list of engines. Buildbox is expensive AF. What is it? Why are you flashing a dog boy at me? Yeah, what is that? Oh, Chad. Oh, it's like taking photos and getting closer. I see. Raccoon Man. To answer your question, with is how you use code inside another object while typing inside the first object. I see. Yeah, I remember I saw like a few minutes of Pirate Software where he was fixing some bug and he dove into his code and it was like the code was in the object. It's not like a component script where the script is affected or where the script was made in like an IDE. It was like in engine. That's why I felt like a markup language. I got given a copy of Game Maker 16 years ago, and about 6 months ago, I decided that's what I'm going to learn. Oh my god, look at that emote. Epilepsy warning. Thank you for gigantifying that. Thank you for the biddies. I don't know why I made it 11. All right, so what up? It's spring. It's spring festival, and boom. Oh god, why is everyone's birthday on the 1st? Oh, because all their birthdays are 0. It thinks everybody's birthday is on the 1st. That's amazing. Well, look, my dynamic info system works. So now when there's multiple stuff, it functions. But yeah, I have to make everyone's birthday either -1 or give them actual numbers. Let's give them numbers. Why not? I should definitely have 2 NPCs' birthdays on the same day. And depending on whose gift you give first, or if you like give someone a gift and you don't give the other person a gift, it's like a thing. Wordstone flashed all of us. Now, yeah, permanently flashing us. You guys got to spam more chat to make the flashing go away. All right, so this all works correctly now, which is good. Get rid of these debugs. Get rid of you. Did you see the conversation about the difference between -1, no one, and null? No. I've been spamming. It's somebody else's turn. Yo, Killica! Killica can spam them. Spam those emotes. Yo, Proton! How's it going? Yeah, we're listening to some Zelda today. All right, everything works. Krogan, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Everything works. It is 6 p.m. What's on my list? Remove chat indicators. Done. Hide time. I don't hide time, but whatever. Intro cutscene. Oh, I can hide time in like 2 seconds. All I got to do is that thing that I just did. I add the event. Or game event listener. Game event. I literally do the same thing. I add 1. I add 2. If we're in the festival. If we're out of the festival. Add. Canvas enabled. Off. Excuse me. Canvas enabled. On. Perfect. The nice thing about enabling and unenabling the canvas is that everything stays visible theoretically, so that events don't break, and it kind of still thinks it exists. It just stops rendering. So now this should all go away. Like all this stuff should go away. Nice. It's clean. Look how clean that is. And I should have a thing that's like the Egg Festival. Bullshit, everything works. Interested on what your take is. Each engine treats them different, even though they are kind of the same. You mean like writing scripts? Honestly, Unreal and Unity I find are very similar. Because Unreal is also semi-component based. So I like them both. I need to check out Godot one day. Falonier said that he wants to teach me Godot. That he would love that. Shout out to Falonier. He's at TwitchCon. He's probably gonna lose his streak today. Poor Falonier. Wait, I just finalized my first Amiga remix. It's queued for the releasing at amigaremix.com. Oh, what are we looking at here? Do you really think Fal won't lead you down the dark path? Nah, it's impossible. What? What is this? Oh my god. Yeah, this website is awesome. I love the mouse cursor. Time to raid and crawl to bed. Catch you later. Wardstone, seriously, I appreciate the raid. Everyone, make sure you are following Wardstone. How do I view stuff? Is any of this from you? Or is it just in the queue? Enter search term. Proton. Protonic End Chamber by Tony Williams. I don't think this is you. Oh, I'm curious what this site looks like. Not dark, but maybe I should do that off screen first. Oh, okay. It's not so bad. Let me know how I can find your stuff on there. What up? It's the Spring Festival. Try conversation. We can get rid of this. Does everybody work? What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? Yup. 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 Okay, cool. Everyone says the correct thing. It's queued, so not available yet. Oh, you got that file. Did we listen to this already? I mean, it doesn't matter. We can listen to it again. So right now I'm looking for a raid target. I think I know where we're gonna go. All right, I got a target. I know where we're gonna go. Once the song reaches its conclusion, we will wind down the stream. Can it rain eggs from the sky? It can. Should I do that? That's a nice jam emote, Finn. All right, I just want to have a message that's like, this is the egg festival. So in the festival system, I can just throw, right for now, I can just throw a thing that's like a message. Pixel Crusher. Wait, do I have Pixel Crushers here? No, I do. Good. So dialog manager dot show alert. And I could say, oh wait, I'm an idiot. I say festival loaded, but I don't pass the festival. This should not be a game event. Oh no. I guess I could say get today's festival. Dot display name. I'll just do that for now. That's fine. That's fine. All right. Thank you for sharing. 4 hours song, 4 hours more of streaming. Thank you for sharing that, Proton. Let's put on some Zelda as we end this. Everybody, let's just make sure this works. Thank you for hanging. I had a good time today. I got a lot done. You are all wonderful. Let's see if this works. Butterfly Migration Festival. Cool. Good enough for now. Saul 101 Pi, thank you for the follow. Let's do some credits. All right. How'd we do today? What happened? New followers, welcome in. Saul, Krogon, Dan Jam, Ghost Monk, Aria, Riley, and 4 and 4. Bootat and Thiefy, thank you so much for those subs. Finn, thank you for modding. And those raids, Spagus, Wardstone, Hypnotic, and Turgus. Epic raids, epic. I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow, probably. We're gonna raid a fellow team member. It's Staten Chan. Captagen. Thank you for the follow. We're gonna raid a fellow indie dev teammate. They're making a Game Boy game, which is cool. So we're gonna go say hello, and we're gonna have a raid. We're gonna do a raid message this time. Hi, teammate. Hi, fellow teammate. That's the raid message. You don't have to use it, but if you're feeling frisky, go for it. Yeah, I don't have a raid. I don't have a raid message command. Finn, that's even better. Wait, there's a problem with that. When you put an emote in the beginning at the end of a text, it's really hard to copy and paste it because emotes mess up with like the selection. But we'll do that anyway. That's a great addition. All right, everybody. Let's go say hi to a statin. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for hanging. Yeah, it doesn't work if you're not subbed. If you're not subbed, don't put the trees in. Later, y'all.